Imagine this: you're in a bustling grocery store, items piled high in your cart. You reach for your phone to pay, but your usual payment method isn't available. You're left fumbling for cash, feeling like a relic from a bygone era. Now, replace that scenario with a smooth, seamless payment experience using Apple Pay. It's convenient, secure, and a staple of modern-day transactions. But what if you're a Paysafe user? Can you bring that same level of convenience to your Apple Pay experience? The Paysafe Dilemma. Paysafe is a popular online payment method offering a range of services from prepaid cards to e-wallets. It's a great option for those who want to keep their financial transactions separate or for those who might have concerns about credit card security. However, when it comes to integrating Paysafe with Apple Pay, there's a bit of a roadblock. As of now, Apple Pay doesn't directly support Paysafe as a payment method. This can be frustrating for those who are accustomed to the convenience of Apple Pay and also use Paysafe for their online transactions. Why the lack of integration? There are a few potential reasons why Paysafe hasn't been added to Apple Pay yet. Technical challenges. Integrating a new payment method into a platform like Apple Pay requires significant technical work. There might be compatibility issues or security concerns that need to be addressed. Business considerations. Apple might have specific criteria for adding payment methods to Apple Pay. There could be business reasons, such as user adoption or partnership agreements, that influence their decisions. Paysafe's focus. Paysafe might be prioritizing other integrations or features that align more closely with their current business strategy. Workarounds and alternatives. While direct integration might not be available yet, there are a few workarounds or alternatives you can consider. Use a supported payment method. If you have a credit or debit card linked to your Paysafe account, you can use that card directly with Apple Pay. This might not be as convenient as having Paysafe integrated directly, but it's a viable option. Consider other mobile wallets. There are other mobile wallets available that might support Paysafe. Research options like Google Pay or Samsung Pay to see if they offer compatibility. Contact Paysafe and Apple. If you're eager for Paysafe to be added to Apple Pay, reaching out to both companies might help. Express your interest and provide feedback to let them know there's a demand for this feature. The future of Paysafe and Apple Pay. While the current situation might be less than ideal, it's possible that Paysafe and Apple Pay will integrate in the future. As technology evolves and the demand for convenient payment solutions grows, there's a chance that the two companies will find a way to work together. So, can you add Paysafe to Apple Pay? Not directly at this time. However, there are workarounds and alternatives available to help you manage your payments. Keep an eye on updates from both Paysafe and Apple, as there's always a possibility of future integrations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.